welcome back to my channel. If you are new over here, then this is Keerthi Kumar, and please do consider hitting that subscribe button, guys. That means so much to me. And yes, today's video is all about the swatches of the the Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipsticks. So this is how the kit actually looks like, guys. So this is the nude one set. So basically this contains 1 2 3 4 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 okay, 8 liquid lipsticks. This is the nude one. There is also another set, the nude 2. I actually bought the nude 1. So once you open this, you kind of like get the liquid lipsticks in here. Oh, fit in. Oh, please. No, don't do this. No, don't do this. Okay, so this is how the set looks like, guys. You just get like 8 shades of the nude shades from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I actually like the packaging, guys. This is like a very sturdy cardboard packaging. It's not actually cheap. It's very sturdy. It's very good quality. It's not like a bendable kind of thing. It's like very strong packaging. And yeah, I actually made every shade work on my skin tone, because like few shades like in the beginning are like a lot more paler on my complexion. If you just see, they kind of like look paler on my complexion when I apply it or like swatch it, but I made them work on my skin tone, guys, by just applying this Colourpop BFF3 lip pencil. What I did was I just like outlined the lips with this lip pencil, just only on the outline part, guys. I didn't fill the lips with this lip pencil. Just I outlined the lips with this lip pencil, and in the inner part of the lips I applied the liquid lipstick, and I literally made every shade work on my complexion. So yeah, and in case if you just want to know how these shades look on the wheatish brown Indian complexion, then just keep on watching the video, and at the end of the swatches I'll be giving out the review of the liquid lipsticks, what I feel about them and everything of that. So stay tuned for that, and stay tuned for the swatches now. how these shades look on my Indian brown wheatish complexion. So yeah, and coming to the review of these shades, I just have to say that, you know, This is definitely a kind of like drying formula, but not too drying like the MAC, you know, the liquid lipsticks, the retro matte liquid lipsticks. It's not like drying completely like that, but it's just like a normal, you know, the matte liquid lipstick formula, but it's like very comfortable to wear on the lips. It actually makes my lips, you know, like a little bit sticky, like when I do this, but it's not like too sticky like the Super Stay Matte Ink one, because like this is like super sticky. So, but this is like a kind of like sticky, but it's kind of like more onto the comfortable, okay, you know, like the manageable side of it. But this is like a very good comfortable matte kind of formula. It's just like the normal regular matte liquid lipsticks, so it's kind of like drying, so you just have to exfoliate your lips like before using these liquid lipsticks. And oh my god guys, these are like transfer proof. Can you just see that? So even when you kind of like eat and drink with this lipstick on, I think it kind of like stays put for a longer time. It doesn't like really leave any kind of like stain behind, because anyway I just like removed the lipstick like super quickly for the sake of the swatches. But I don't know like how that whether it'll leave like a what's that, it will leave like that, you know, that color stain behind if we wear this for a longer time. But it's like a very kind of, you know, a very comfortable matte kind of formula to wear for that longer hours. And also I actually like these shades, guys. I mean, like these shades are like super stunning. I literally loved every shade in this liquid lipstick nude edition. I don't know, like, you know, the nude shades can work super good on the Indian complexion, because there are like shades which look so pale on the wheatish complexion. These are actually the paler shades, you know, like these are the paler shades, but I actually made them work with the brown lip pencil, as I told you guys. But still, you know, they looked super gorgeous when I just put them on my lips. And these are like very easy to apply kind of ones, because the applicator is like super easy to apply one. You know, just like look at that applicator, guys. It's just like literally this lipstick and this applicator is like gliding on the lips like that. I loved this applicator and the formula of this one. And comparative to the darker shades here, like these are like these four are like little darker tones than these shades over here. So these are like more onto the paler side. So these are kind of like little harder to apply, guys, because these are showing little more that patchiness on the lips. But these are like more you know, staying more comfortable and not showing too much of patchiness. But these nude shades are showing a little more patchiness, that flakiness on lips than these shades over here. So that's it. And I actually loved these lipsticks like so much, so freaking much. And the most important thing is that I love these shades, guys. I love these shades. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you like this video, and I hope you like the swatches of these liquid lipsticks. And also do let me know your favorite shade from these liquid lipsticks in the comment section below. I would love to know that. And also, guys, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. That means the world to me. And also please do follow me on my Instagram, guys. My Instagram handle is keerthikumarmakeup. I'll be leaving the direct link in the description box below. I'll be posting up like 1-minute makeup tutorials, you know, like life updates, makeup stories, makeup updates, and everything of that sort over there. So in case if you want to check them out, please do follow me on my Instagram. So yes, guys, that's it. We'll be seeing you soon with another video. Till then, have a great day. Bye.